आप अंग्रेज़ी कितनी जानते हैं, आपको कितनी अंग्रेज़ी आती है, ये महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है। लेकिन अंग्रेज़ी सीखना शुरू करने से पहले ये महत्वपूर्ण है कि आपके पास अंग्रेज़ी का ज्ञान कितना है, आपकी वोकैबुलरी कितनी है। इंसान के पास अनलिमिटेड शक्ति है। अधिकतर लोग लिमिटेड शक्ति का प्रयोग करते हैं। अंग्रेज़ी कोई भी बोल सकता है, लेकिन सवाल किसी और का नहीं, आपका है, सिर्फ आपका। मैं नीलम सरीन, I was also an average person like you. But you know, every teacher once was a student, every winner once was a loser, and every expert once was a beginner. But they all have crossed a bridge called learning. So let's start with my easy, basic, simple tip by starting with sentences. कोई भी बात हम किसी को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए जब अपनी फीलिंग्स, अपने व्यूज़, अपनी बात को स्पष्ट करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें अलग अलग तरह के सेंटेंसेस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। सेंटेंसेस आर ऑफ 5 टाइप्स। अब ब्लैक बोर्ड की हेल्प से मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगी कि कई बार आप मेरे बाद आप अगर रिपीट करना चाहो तो कर सकते हैं। देखिए, in English there are 26 alphabets A, B, C, X, Y, Z. But A, B, C, these are called letters. Letters make words. By forming words, by using words, we can form sentences. We can use different sentences. And you know, sentences are of 5 types. One is assertive or declarative. इनको सिंपल सेंटेंसेस भी बोल सकते हैं। When we want to state something, वो assertive सेंटेंस बोले जाएंगे। सेकेंड टाइप के सेंटेंसेस हैं इंटेरोगेटिव। When we ask questions, when we put questions, when we answer the question, that is called interrogative. And the third type of sentences are imperative. Imperative sentences are used when we express a command, request, advice, and these are next है exclamatory sentences. When we express our strong emotions, our strong feelings by expressing our views like happiness, wonder, sorrow, like all these. Next and last one is operative sentences. Operative sentences are when we express to wish, a wish or prayer. For example, may you get first position, may you success, may you live long, like this. Now I would like to explain these sentences with examples. Assertive sentences are 2 types: negative, affirmative, and negative. Affirmative is she is tall. Negative, she is not tall. Assertive के 2 types: affirmative, negative. For example, she is tall. Yeah, my father reads newspaper. My father does not read newspaper. She is not tall. ये हो गया पॉजिटिव। अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड यूज फॉर पॉजिटिव सेंस एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस आर यूज फॉर नेगेटिव सेंस। सेकंड टाइप इंटरोगेटिव। व्हेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चन, वी पुट क्वेश्चन yes और no. फॉर एग्जांपल, वर यू एब्सेंट yesterday? अब आपकी विश है कि आप इसको आंसर में yes में आंसर दोगे कि no में दोगे। अगर no में दोगे तो आप बोले I was not absent yesterday. And next type of interrogative sentences are WH. These questions are started with WH. For example, why, what, when, where. For example, why were you absent yesterday? कल आप कहाँ थे? अब ये सेंटेंस इसमें क्या है? आपने आंसर depends on your will, whether you would like to say positive or negative. I was not absent yesterday. Yes, I was absent yesterday. Third type of sentences, I am going to repeat imperative sentences. These sentences are used to express command. For example, go away, don't come in front of me, command. Request, please go and bring a glass of water, or please close the door. This request. And next, advice. Always remain cool. Always speak truth. Advice. Next type of sentences are exclamatory. As I have already told you, strong feelings are exclamatory sentences. For example, happiness, wonder, sorrow. Happiness, wow, how beautiful you are looking today. Wonder, what a beautiful scene. Sorrow, alas, my grandfather is no more. These type of sentences are called exclamative. And fifth type of sentences are operative. Operative. When we want to express a wish or prayer. For example, may you get first position. This is my simple, basic first step for English. And hope you will like it, and please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.